Introducing the Flat8, an accent lighting LED channel that can be recessed into drywall. The profile is only half an inch thick, which is the same as standard drywall sheeting. This means that you can install it without cutting into beams and other vital wall components. Because it is so shallow, the Flat8 uses a parabolic reflector to ensure there are no visible hot spots, despite the low profile design of the channel. The profile can also be used for baseboard lighting, or even mounted into furniture and pedestals. The Flat8 is available in 4 colors: silver, raw, black, and white. The LED strip is installed out of sight to prevent spotting, ensuring a seamless and evenly lit appearance. The Flat8 is designed for accent lighting, so it can only accommodate 8mm LED strips. We recommend pairing it with low-power LED strips, such as our Decor Series strip, which is available in 4 color temperatures. Or the 120 density white iris strip for brighter lighting, which is also available in 4 color temperatures. The diffuser is available in 3 finishes: clear, frosted, and opal. Please note that it's important to slide the diffuser in before recessing the profile. You need to have access to the end of the profile. These mounting clips with embedding springs allow you to easily install recessed lighting fixtures. We can also cut the profile to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Flat8. The profile can be mounted by drilling holes through the back and adding screws. Otherwise, you can use these mounting clips, allowing you to take down the whole light fixture, for repairs and maintenance. You can use this connector to join straight lengths of the profile. Use end caps to finish off your fixtures professionally. If you're interested in using the Flat8 for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.